Welcome to Dirty Magic number 4. Today we're going to be opening up a starter kit and a Glacier sleeve pack, 100 pack. Let's start with the Dragon Shield Glacier 100 matte dual sleeves with black backs. Minium, Warder of the Flux. Apparently they have a podcast. Take off the plastic and open it up. Ooh, brand new sleeves. Right on. Those will be useful. And of course, the starter kit. Looking to learn some magic? Actually, that's what I'm currently doing, so yeah. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so we've got this starter kit play guide along with 2 boxes for the decks to go into. And here are the 60 card decks. And the promo cards or the extra rare foils you get. We've got Welcoming Vampire and Thundering Raiju. Alright, so let's open up the plastic on these. First card is Extraction Specialist, which is a human rogue creature. Next we have Dream Shackle Geist. That is a spirit creature, and that's the rare. Very nice. We get another rare, Hullbreaker Horror, which is a Kraken Horror creature. Ooh, 7/8. It's a powerful creature. And Consuming Tide, another third rare, sorcery. Pretty cool. On to the commons, we have Unholy Officiant, which is a vampire cleric creature. Unholy Officiant again. Backup agent, human citizen creature. Another backup agent, and another backup agent. Apparently you have backup agents. Wretched Throng, zombie horror creature. Another one. We like DJ Khaled over here. Inspiring Overseer creature, Angel Cleric. Another one of those. Ooh, this has pretty art. Brute Suit. I have like 2 or 3 of these maybe. It's a good vehicle artifact, looks like. Seven Tall Mentor, Fox Samurai creature. That's what's on the cover of, or the box, front of the box. We have a few of those. Storm Rider Spirit, spirit creature. Has flash and flying. 3/3, not bad. 2 of those. Nebelgast Beguiler. That's a tongue twister. Spirit creature. We have 2 of those. Serpentine Ambush. Instant. We have 3 of those. Killshot Instant. There's 2 of those. Ooh, another Brute Suit. Not sure why that's not with the other one, but okay. Fading Hope Instant. We've got some Tranquil Cove lands, some basic land planes. Alright, now we're on to the basic land blue ones. Islands. On your turn. That's good to know. Blocking and attacking tips, or what, when you can do it. And the code, which I probably use, but I'm covering with my thumb anyway. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Filming this with one hand, so bear with me. Alright. There's the go card again. The little tip card again. Lands. Lands. Forest lands. And mountain. Red basic lands. Got some rugged highlands, which looks like dual either or fire and forest. Few of those. Burn the Accursed Instant. We've got 2 of those. A Braid. Got a couple of those. Witch's Web. A few of those. Flourishing Hunter. Wolf Spirit Creature. And we have a couple of those. Mounted Dread Knight. Vampire Knight Creature. We've got 3 of those. Spore Crawler. Fungus Creature. 3 of those. High-Rise Sawjack. Elf Citizen Creature. 2 of those. 3. Lambolt Harrier. Wolf Creature. Got a few of those. Timberland Guide. Human Scout Creature. He shows you where the shoes are at, yo. A few of those, alright. Let's carry on. Ooh, another one. Volderin Stinger. Vampire warrior creature. And we have 2 of those. Finally onto the rare. Glorious Sunrise enchantment. Very nice. And Topiary Stomper, plant dinosaur creature. Love dinosaur creatures. That's dope. Rawr. Another rare, we've got the Creepy Puppeteer, human rogue creature. And the last rare, the Ascendant Pack Leader, wolf creature. Alright, well, that's opening up a starter kit. Until next time, thanks for watching.